Good morning, my dear students. In the last class, we had to discussing about the continent and the ocean. The what is continent and what is ocean, and how many continents are there in the world. Such kind of things we have to discuss in the last period, isn't it? And in the today's sessions, now we should study about the seven continent. Seven continent. Here, the seven continents. So, which are those seven continents? Which are those seven continents? The seven continents of the world are, first one is yes, the first one is Asia, then Africa, then third one is North America, then fourth one is South America, then fifth one is Antarctica, then sixth one is Europe, then seventh one is Australia. The seventh one is Australia. Yes. Which are those seven continents? The first one is Asian continent. The second one is African continent. The North American continent. The South American continent. The Antarctica continent. Europe continent and Australia continent. Yes. Once again, I will say about this one. The Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. These are the seven continents in the world. And let us we will discussing about the first one, Asian continent. Asian continent. Here, Asia, it is the biggest continent in the world. Yes, Asia is the biggest continent in the world. Okay. See here, one more question I will ask, dear students. Which is the biggest continent in the world? What is that? The Asia, it is the biggest continent in the world. Do you understand? See here, why should call that it is the biggest continent? ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಇದು ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಖಂಡ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರಿಬೇಕು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್? ಅದರ ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಏನು? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ದ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ or biggest continent in the world, some of the world's largest and most populated countries such as, here it includes the largest or highest population countries. Why we call the Asian continent it is the biggest or largest continent in the world? The reason is it includes the largest population in the countries. Which countries has got highest population? The China, India, isn't it? ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದಂತಹ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಭಾರತ ಮತ್ತು ಚೀನಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಚೀನಾ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಈ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳೇನಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಏಷ್ಯನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? India are located in Asia. So already I told. So which countries they have highest population in the world? The China, and it has located in which continent? Asian continent. Asian continent. The China and India is located in the Asian continent. That's why I call that the Asia is the largest continent in the world. The Asia surrounded by the Pacific Ocean in the east. Here, so Asia is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean in the east. One more question I will ask. In the eastward direction, the Asia has surrounded by which ocean? In the eastward direction, the Asian continent is surrounded by which ocean? The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean, isn't it? So ಪೂರ್ವ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸಾಗರದಿಂದ ಆವೃತಗೊಂಡೈತಿಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಸಾಗರದಿಂದ ಅದು ಆವೃತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಪಟ್ಟೈತಿ. ಅಂಡ್ the Arctic Ocean in the north. Which ocean? The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean surrounded in the north direction. In the north direction. Did you understand? Yes. See this picture. So see this picture. This is the Asian continent. This is the Asian continent. Here in the east, it should be covered the Pacific Ocean. Here in this part, here is the Pacific Ocean, and in the northern part it should be covered the Arctic Ocean. In your textbook this kind of information is available. And one more thing, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Here Indian Ocean in the south. Here the Indian Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. Here in the southern part, that is northern part. This one northern part. This is southern part. Then here the Pacific Ocean in the east. East direction ocean. The Asia has the varied and interesting geographical features. Nodri, ಈ ಏಷ್ಯನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಟ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಗ್ರಫಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್. ಇದು ತನ್ನದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಭೌಗೋಳಿಕ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದೇದಂತ. ಏಷ್ಯಾ is also has 2 highest mountain ranges in the world. Asia Here what is that? Asia has also has two highest mountains range in the world. Yes, Asia has two highest mountains in the world. ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಎರಡು ಪರ್ವತಗಳು ಅವು ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ನಾಗ ಅದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಏಷ್ಯನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ. ದೋಸ್ ಟೂ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ have in the Asian continent. So which are those mountain ranges in the world? The Himalaya and Karakoram ranges. The Himalaya and Karakoram ranges. Mountain ranges. Which are those? The first one is Himalaya and Karakoram ranges. Yes, I will ask one more questions to you people. So, which are the highest mountain ranges in the world? The first one is Himalaya and Karakoram ranges in the world. Karakoram ranges. So, where it was those mountain ranges in the Asian continent, the Himalaya and Karakoram range. The other important physical features include the Gobi Desert. One more is the Gobi Desert. Gobi Desert. The Gobi Desert also in the Asian continent. The Tibetan, the palace, the Thar Desert. Yes, where it was already told. So I think you have to study it in the last year. So which is the biggest desert in the India? That is Thar Desert. It is in Rajasthan state. Isn't it? And Taklamakan Desert and the Yangtze River, the mountain ranges contain many glaciers which slow the melt and water flows down from some the largest river in the world, such as the Asian continent. It includes some rivers also. So which are those rivers? Ganga. Then second one is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra. Then the world highest mountain peak, Mount Everest. Highest mountain peak, that was Mount Everest. Mount Everest is located in Asia. Isn't it? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ವತ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಈ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಎವರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರ ಈ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಖಂಡದಲ್ಲಿನ ಐತಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಖಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ. The which are the rivers are flowing in the Asian continent? The highest or the largest river of the Asian continent, the Ganga, Brahmaputra, are flowing in the Asian continent. Isn't it? And let us we're discussing about the African continent. Yes, simply you knowing about the Asian continent. That is very simple. Asian continent, it is the biggest continent or largest continent in the world, and it includes the most populated countries are in this continent. Which are those countries it got highest populated in the world? China and India. China and India are located in the Asian continent, and this continent has covered by the Pacific Ocean in the eastward direction, and the Arctic Ocean has covered it in the north direction, and Indian Ocean it should cover it in the southern part of the continent. And he was very interested in the geographical features. Is also the two highest mountain ranges in the world. Those are the Himalaya and Karakoram ranges. Those are the highest mountain ranges in the world. And also the so many rivers are flowing in this continent. Those are the Ganga and Brahmaputra. The world highest mountain, which is the highest mountain in the world, that is Mount Everest, is also located in the Asian continent. Did you understand? Yes, this is that today class, and let us we will take the homework. Which is the largest continent in the world? Second one is which countries have got highest population in the world? Next. Mount Everest is located in which continent? This is for your homework.